Hello everyone. So I'm here again and we will discuss now the extended part or the second part of L'Hopital rule. In last class we discussed about the L'Hopital rule, when we can apply the L'Hopital rule for finding the limits in determined forms. Now today we will discuss that we can apply L'Hopital rule for indeterminate forms of other than plus minus infinity by plus minus infinity and 0 by 0. But we have to convert the other indeterminate forms into 0 by 0 and plus minus infinity by plus minus infinity form first. Then we can apply the L'Hopital rule. So for this we are taking the examples of different indeterminate forms and we will solve accordingly by applying L'Hopital rule. So first, this question we have: find limit extending to infinity x e raised to the power minus x. So students, if we put the limit directly, x is equal to infinity here, we will obtain infinity into e raised to the power minus infinity, that is 0 into infinity form. So this is again indeterminate form, 0 into infinity, but it is not the form in which we can apply the L'Hopital rule, because for applying L'Hopital rule, the indeterminate form should be in the form of 0 by 0 and plus minus infinity by plus minus infinity. So if we want to apply L'Hopital rule in this question, we have to convert this indeterminate form into 0 by 0 form or plus minus infinity by plus minus infinity form. So limit extending to infinity x e raised to the power minus x can also be written as limit extending to infinity x upon e raised to the power x. If we apply the limit directly, we will obtain infinity by infinity. Now in that case, we can apply the L'Hopital rule. So we are applying L'Hopital rule. So in numerator, we differentiate with respect to x, that is 1, and in denominator, separately with respect to x, we are differentiating e raised to the power x. Now put the value of the limit 1 upon e raised to the power infinity, that is 1 upon infinity, that is 0. We obtain the finite value 0. This is our answer. So student, we can see here initially the indeterminate form was of the type infinity into 0, but we converted this form into the other form infinity by infinity, so we can apply the L'Hopital rule. Now we are taking next question. Find limit extending to 0 cot 2x into sine 6x. So first we apply the limit directly as usual. If we are applying the limit directly, x is equal to 0 in this question, what we obtain, we just obtain cos 0 divided by cot 2x can be written as cos 2x divided by sine 2x, right? And at x is equal to 0, it is infinity. And we can see after putting x is equal to 0 in this question, the indeterminate form is of the type infinity into 0. Now in this form we cannot apply L'Hopital rule, so we will convert this form into plus minus infinity upon plus minus infinity form or 0 by 0 form. We can see here this expression can be written as sine 6x upon tan 2x. If we apply the limit directly at x is equal to 0 in this question, we obtain 0 by 0, and this is the indeterminate form for L'Hopital rule. Now applying L'Hopital rule, the differentiation of numerator sin 6x, that is 6 cos 6x, and separately the differentiation of denominator, the differentiation of tan 2x is 2 sec square 2x. Now put the limit x is equal to 0. 6 cos 0 divided by 2 sec square 0, that is 6 upon 2, it means 3. So we obtain finite value after applying L'Hopital rule. So students, you can see very easily this question was in the form of infinity into 0, and we couldn't apply the L'Hopital rule that time, but we converted this question into 0 by 0 form, and we applied the L'Hopital rule and solve accordingly, and we obtained the finite value 3. Next question, evaluate limit extending to 1 plus x upon x minus 1 minus 1 upon ln x or log x. So first put x is equal to 1 here, or first take the LCM and convert this function into quotient form or fx upon gx form, so that we can apply, we can judge whether we will apply what method. So taking the LCM, and the function will be x log x minus x plus 1 upon x minus 1 times of log x in quotient form or fx upon gx form, right? Now put the limit directly, x is equal to 1 here, we will obtain 0 by 0. It's again indeterminate form, so we can apply L'Hopital rule. For applying L'Hopital rule, we have to differentiate numerator and we have to differentiate denominator separately. So we differentiate numerator log x plus x into 1 upon x minus 1, and we differentiate denominator log x plus x minus 1 upon x. We obtain log x upon log x plus 1 minus 1 upon x. Now apply the limit again, x is equal to 1. We obtain again 0 by 0 form, again indeterminate form. So we have to apply again L'Hopital rule. Differentiation in numerator 1 upon x, and differentiation in denominator 1 upon x plus 1 upon x square, because the differentiation of 1 is 0. Now apply again. Now put the limit again, x is equal to 1. We will obtain 1 by 2. It's a finite value and we get the answer. Similarly, next question, find limit extending to infinity x raised to the power 1 upon x. So if we put the limit directly, x is equal to infinity in this question, we obtain infinity raised to the power 1 upon infinity, that is infinity raised to the power 0. So this is indeterminate form of the type infinity raised to the power 0. In this indeterminate form, we cannot apply the L'Hopital rule. So we have to convert this form into 0 by 0 form or plus minus infinity by plus minus infinity form. So for this, we have to take the log both the sides, and always take the log of the function if the function is in the form of function raised to the power function, right? So here x raised to the power 1 upon x, it means fx raised to the power gx, function raised to the power function. So we are taking log both the sides, limit extending to infinity, log x raised to the power 1 upon x can be written as limit extending to infinity 1 upon x log x. If we put the limit x is equal to infinity here directly, we will obtain 0 into infinity form, again indeterminate form, but is not of the type of L'Hopital rule. So this expression can be written as limit extending to infinity, log x into 1 upon x can be written as log x upon x. Now if we apply the limit x is equal to infinity, we will obtain infinity by infinity form. Now we can apply the L'Hopital rule. So applying L'Hopital rule, differentiation in numerator 1 upon x and differentiation in denominator 1. Now put the limit x is equal to infinity and check whether we are obtaining finite or infinite value. So if we are putting x is equal to infinity in 1 upon x 1, we obtain 0, which is a finite value. So we get the value limit extending to infinity, log x raised to the power 1 upon x is 0, that is x raised to the power 1 upon x is e raised to the power 0, that is 1. So the finite answer is 1. So guys, here the indeterminate form was in the type infinity raised to the power 0, and we converted this into infinity by infinity form so that we can apply the L'Hopital rule. Next question. Find limit extending to infinity 1 plus 1 upon x whole raised to the power x. So first, as usual, put the limit directly. So we are putting x is equal to infinity here. 1 plus 1 upon infinity, that is 0, that is 1 plus 0, that is 1 raised to the power infinity. So this is indeterminate form of 1 raised to the power infinity. Again, we cannot apply the L'Hopital rule right now. So, and again, this function is of the type of fx raised to the power gx type. So we will take the limit first, or we will take the log both the sides first. So limit extending to infinity, log of 1 plus 1 upon x raised to the power x can be written as limit extending to infinity x log 1 plus 1 upon x. Now this expression can be written as log 1 plus 1 upon x upon 1 upon x, right? Now if we are putting the limit x is equal to infinity directly, we will obtain 0 by 0. So definitely we can apply L'Hopital rule right now because it's in the form of 0 by 0. So differentiation of numerator as usual separately and differentiation of denominator, we obtain 1 upon 1 plus 1 upon x. Now apply the limit again extending to infinity. If we are putting x is equal to infinity here, this 1 upon x will convert into 0 and the whole expression will be in 1. So we obtain finite value 1, that is we obtain e raised to the power 1, that is e. So the finite value is e, which is exponential raised to the power 1, approximately 2.71. So students, what we have learned? We have learned L'Hopital rule. There are several type of indeterminate forms like 0 by 0, infinity by infinity, minus infinity by infinity, 0 raised to the power infinity, 0 into infinity, 1 raised to the power infinity. There are so many types of indeterminate forms. And if we are finding the limits, then we can apply several methods. Factorization methods, rationalization method, trigonometry approaches we can apply. But we can apply L'Hopital rule as well. It's a generalized method, but there is a restriction in this method. We can apply only when there is 0 by 0 form or plus minus infinity by plus minus infinity form. If the form you are obtaining directly, then you can apply L'Hopital rule. If you are obtaining like 1 raised to the power infinity form or infinity into 0 form or 0 into infinity form and 0 raised to the power infinity form, then if you can convert that form into 0 by 0 form or plus minus infinity by plus minus infinity form, then we can apply L'Hopital rule. right? So this is it, L'Hopital rule. Thank you very much.